Okay, good afternoon, Miss. My name is Fernando, and my name is X02020018 For this project one, I will tell you about my experiment on hacking account. Okay, I had ever hacked a Gmail account when I was in 12th grade, or yeah, at the senior high school. So at that time I was bored and I don't know what to something to do. Then when I check my line, if you do know about line is like a social media application in the smartphone. And I saw the news on Line Today. In the Line Today is content a 15 years old teenager from the Tangerang who managed to hack into a site belonging to the United States government, namely the National Aeronautic and Space Administration, or NASA. Many achievements and awards given to him from government and private sector in Indonesia. I'm proud. I'm really proud of him because at his young age he can hack a big site like NASA. Because of this, I suddenly thought of hacking my old account that I had previously sold to my friends. I still remember the Gmail and password when I give to him at the last time. Then I tried to hack into my that old account by entering the Gmail into the site www.gmail.com, and it turned out the password and has been changed by him. I tried to pressing the forget password button. Of course, it will definitely enter to the security verification menu, which is where the security will keep that account from being hacked by the other person. Usually, there are two kinds of security. The first, there will be a notification asking for approval to enter which content a yes or no on the smartphone that logins into that account. And the second, that will be asked for a verification code from the cell phone number that has been entered into the verification security. Evidently, that the cell phone numbers for the verification has not changed by him, which is there is still has my cell phone number in that account. Without thinking for a long time, I immediately choose to ask for a verification code from the cell phone number and enter the code that was given by the system via message to my cell phone number, and I finally managed to enter the account. After logging into that account, I immediately changed the password and I can hack his account. After 3 or 5 minutes later, my friends chat to me and said, "Hey, are you hack my account?" I said yes, and blah 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 blah. Finally, I said that is a prank from me to him, and I give the account back to him. Actually, that is his fault. Why? Because that he didn't change the security verification code, which could allow the other person easily to hack that account. Okay, I think yeah, that's all, miss, for my this project one. Thank you for your attention, and sorry if my grammar or my speaking is bad. Thank you, miss. Goodbye.